Oh, we're in garage. Here he is.
Hey!
Alright. Gruffaloscoot his channel. And we're going to be mauling with this old girl today. What's going on anyway? What we're sticking on it?
Turbo, you said, didn't you? Something like that?
Turbo, yeah. That'd do, wouldn't it?
Yeah, something about pipes anyway. I just assumed turbo pipes.
Yeah, load of new hoses. And I've got you a Prezi. Couple of stickers. You want some of them for in your garage? There you go.
See if I can find a space for them. That'd be lovely.
And
what's this in here?
that'd be 2 bags.
It's just like pass the parcel.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Another bag.
Stop the music.
We've got a bit of bacon for breakfast.
A bit of bacon for breakfast?
What have we got there?
I don't know, it's like some sort of...
I think that's the posh stuff.
How many pigs had to die for this breakfast?
I don't know, I think that's a leg of pig.
Amazing.
That'll do, won't it?
I've got just the thing to cook that on.
What's that? Big barbecue?
Not the big barbecue.
That'll do.
We'll have that in a bit.
Belting. Right, let's get set up with some cameras and rip into this gold girl here.
I'll put that in the fridge. Do you want to bring your stuff through?
Yeah.
Wait.
So what's happening here, big lad?
Well, I've just taken off this this tube here. They're called tubes.
Are they?
Most people call them hoses, but they're wrong. It's a tube.
Are they? What's the tube, is it?
And because it's red hot, we just don't want to get it all over the place. So can you see it? Can you see it dribbling? You know, if you play with it enough, it gets all wet, and then eventually,
it washes out.
she's excited.
Oh, bloody hell.
Don't let that fall off.
Oh, sir. Charlie.
Magic.
Yeah.
We'll leave that on because we've got the hose pipe up there in a minute, and then we can clamp on. Let's go around the other side and take the other one. We'll get the hose on it. If we blast into that one we just taken off, it'll go
This
through
one
the
down here.
It'll go through the radiator and give your radiator a back flush. Everybody likes a back flush, don't they?
Oh yeah.
Flush it up backwards.
Blimey, Charlie. She's getting colonic irrigation, lads.
And then we'll put some in here, and that'll go through and flush your engine out.
Magical.
Okay, let's get some rust out, shall we?
Come on.
Let's get on it.
What do you want off?
I want that one down there. Take that one there off. That one.
This one off. We've been binning out clips too.
Just leave on the hoses for now. We'll keep them for second hands.
She's coming off though.
Lovely.
Oh yeah.
Right, can you get onto, which one do we need to get onto? This one up here now. Let's have me spinner.
We are.
I had another plan, you see. I'll let you in on it.
One.
I'm going to take this whole unit off in one. This hose,
On here.
this is joined to that thing. Nobody knows what that does. Take that off, take that off, take this off, take that off, and that'll all come wheeling back out of this way, so we've got it in our hand then.
Belted.
And then we've got a bit more space to do some flushing. All that means is I got to get in here with my great big mitts.
I get a camera in now.
I'll try and get this part off. Let me give it some more.
You can't get it. I can't get in with camera.
We can do this side.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Right, you ready? Hey, ow, knuckles. There, did you feel that then? Did you hear that then?
I heard it.
That was the sound of a hose releasing itself. Right.
You're in business.
Stick me number 10 on there.
Okie dokie. So we've got all these hoses then. So we've got a bag of hoses from AS3 belting, and we're just matching them up to where they should go. And it's a fairly comprehensive kit, would you not say?
I think it covers most things that you ever might need. You know, things. We'll get stuck into these little ones in a minute.
And we've got two spurs. Oh, that's the one. That's the one what comes off the back of the water pump. It's at front at block, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a.
You want to point the camera, and then you can see what you're seeing. Where are we aiming for?
Here. This is where they leak. Look, see all this dust?
Oh yeah.
That all builds up around your aluminium, and then it expands on the pipe and causes your pipe to leak, 'cause it's all lumpy. So if you get a bit of emery tape on that, just get that dust off, that aluminium oxide, and then your pipes will seal again nicely. See that big lump there? Look?
Oh yeah. Oh, we'll be in business, won't we? Oh yeah, it's a mess, isn't it? Oh well, there you go. This is why you come to your mate's house bringing loads of bacon, right? Because he absolutely loves this stuff, you know, shitty Fireblades and stuff. That's why you bring bacon, because this gets done.
Get it sorted. There's a lot of bacon, just get it done quick.
Right then, come on. Are we getting this thing flushed?
Let's flush it.
Oh, I'm going to come in here now. Tell you what, I think he's been watching my channel. Loads of brews.
18th brew of the day.
Oh yeah.
Come with me. I knew you were coming, so I bought some tea bags.
Oh yeah, that's what it's all about, isn't it?
Is that enough? I don't know if that's going to last us for the day. 1,040.
Yeah, we'll be alright. I think it's not bad that though, belting that. Nah, thanks very much, pal.
You're most welcome. Right, let's get the hose out.
Now, where's this going, bud?
Right, we're going to go up
there.
Up in here, and up into that engine. A bit of a backflush.
Okay, okay.
Where's that coming out?
Oh, see ya. That's nice and bonnet, that, isn't it?
Happy days. Stick your thumb on it. Where's it going? Go anywhere else?
No.
Bubbling.
Yeah, it is. Going back on itself.
Happy days. That's for that.
Where's this one going now?
Let's stick it up this tube. Where's that go? Listen, all I'm doing, if I see a hole, I'm putting it in there.
Right, okay, doke. Oh, there you go. She's having a leak. That'll do, won't it?
We've landed.
Proper professional, that.
It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, have a brew.
We're getting there, aren't we? Cheers, pal.
Nice. Get the airline and blow it out in a minute.
Yeah, can't believe how much not rust was in there. I was expecting a fair bit of crud come out of her.
It was aluminium, see, isn't it? So
the water pump's the bit I was expecting it to be a bit.
It's probably alright. We could take it out and have a look if you like, but we could rebuild it. But then there's no ring in there inside the engine and stuff.
No,
So
we'll just better off rebuilding it.
we'll just rebuild it, won't we?
Definitely.
I'll find my water pump rebuild kit in that box in there in a minute.
When you say rebuild?
Yeah.
Psst.
Yeah.
Perfect. That'll do, won't it? It'll look brand new.
Yeah.
And I'll just put some nice earplugs in. The sound goes away.
It'll be just the job.
Brand new.
You won't know it's you know.
Like when I first owned her.
You won't know it's ever been leaking.
Nice and quiet. And shiny.
She'll come back around, certainly.
Didn't sound too bad when I got here this morning, did she?
It was alright. It was nice actually. Looked good. Nice little 100 miles in the fog. Just the job.
Foggy.
What more do you need? Happy days.
Yeah, she's
Just take that last little
She's a
pipe
bit-
off.
she's a bit rough, but she is what she is, isn't she?
They all get a bit rough when they get a bit old, don't they?
I think. Yeah, I think the fellow who owned her must have lived down a mine or something, because he was from Yorkshire. So
Yep. Must have been.
Miner.
Yeah. Well, if it's from Yorkshire, he wouldn't want to spend any money on it either, would he?
He didn't spend any money on her.
There you go, see. Poor thing.
She's getting looked after. Oh, the oil levels dropped back down to where it
Come
was,
back around again.
Yeah. She were quite tasty, but she's back down to where she should be. Oh.
Good job, that. Nice flush.
Belting that.
Good.
I was over the moon with that. I couldn't believe that.
Peace of mind, isn't it?
I
That
was
really?
expecting a load of crud come out.
There's only a tiny bit just leaked out before we started the flushing, but other than that, no bother at all.
Belting. And we've found where every pipe goes now, haven't we?
Yeah, there's one that
Yeah,
we can't
yeah.
see just yet, but that's underneath this big black.
That's the one, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, where did we think she went from? Here. So, way round there. Yeah. Up, down,
Inside.
into the,
Into that one?
into the top of the.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you, that is that one there. That's that. The carbs off, her box off, and we can get at it. Just there. That's that.
Aren't these snozzles supposed to be pointing forwards and have like a bit of
Them.
ram air?
No, they didn't do ram air on these. It's just a basic
Just picks it up from inside there, does it?
basic air box. Yeah, so basically it sucks through there, and there's a little bit of a scoop up front, but there's nothing spectacular.
Scoops it into there, is it?
Yeah,
Right.
it's just does the job.
Tidy.
Belting. I'll put this back over here, then we don't lose it. Well, put it down somewhere, not where it is. Go on, girl, get up there. Right, here we go again. Her box off. Yet again. So, I'm going to undo this one here. And then I'm going to undo that one there.
And then these two.
Yeah, them two over there. But you're just going to have to believe I've undone the other three. Because, well, I'll show you this one. And then what I'll do is... There you go. Yeah, a little bit more. You got it?
Top.
And then I think a couple of 10 milli there, That's going up there and off. I think we're all done. Lovely. Can I get this up here? That way.
That will definitely fall off of there.
Can we get that up there? Wow. I pulled the airbox off. Probably. Stay.
That one's going in there. Where's the other one?
Just here.
Is there any more?
Washer on that one. Has got it?
Going in there. Is that it?
Yeah, that should be it.
Sounded lovely. There's a hose there. Look, pull that hose off. Pull it off.
Pulled it off. Look. Fantastic.
It's a bit of 99 you got in there.
Yeah. This morning, oddly enough. That's why tanks are bloody heavy.
Can you see that hose that we're supposed to be taking off?
I can.
Let me lower it down for you.
Yeah, I can, mate. That looks a bit.
Is that the one? Is that it?
That's the one, look.
Sure.
There it was there.
Can we get to it?
Yeah, we can.
We've got to take the engine out.
No, you just look the clip. It's not a Jubilee. It's a. And then, you know, same on this side here. Can we get at it? Can't see it now. Oh yeah, I can. Okay, well, can see it. Out you come, girl. Maybe not quite all the way off that. 100%, this is the one. There we go, mate, thank you. Feeding it through is go fun, isn't it?
Just yank on it. It'll soon come off in your hand. It's like, can't help it, you know.
Sorry, Barbara.
Is that the one?
That's the one.
Pull that clip off.
100%.
Pull that clip off so it doesn't scratch the frame.
Can't see clip.
Just use your fingernails so see if you can tear them off.
Oh, come off that bugger. Come here.
Don't hurt yourself.
Go till we see it now. No, I've not got it.
Oh. Say when.
I'll tell you when.
Have you got it yet?
No.
If I do this, does it help?
Yeah. Ah!
There, see, you got it.
Yeah, got it. Oh, bloody hell, that hurt. Straight through. That's the one, I'm telling you, isn't it?
Looks like it. If it's not, you can put it back on.
Well, it is, isn't it?
It's good practice. What do you need now? I can't see what you're doing, you see.
I need.
Oh, it's just about to wait you to bash your elbow then.
Bit of help. That's the one. So.
Get it back on straight away.
Oh, yeah. That's the one, isn't it?
Yes, get it. Well, they need cleaning up them spigots.
Probably. Still bleeding like a shot dog.
I've got new clips.
Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. I didn't see you. Right, make sure I get it going on the right way then. Oh, shit. Nope.
Yeah, that looks like it, doesn't it?
Where did it go?
We'll have the clips on first.
Where did it go?
Go down the back of this wire here.
Did it go down there?
Yeah. That's it.
I don't want to see it. Is that the right way?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, sure as I'll ever be.
First doors going back on. Oh, there's a bit of rust up here. Not a lot. No.
Can you see? Can you see? Get in the way. Can't see. There's a bit of
Bit of shite there.
We need a bit of shite there. Right, we've got just a tool for that.
Yeah. That is, right next to it is the oil pressure switch. And that, when I first got the bike back, caused me concern because halfway down the road one day, I get the oil pressure light. And I went, oh shit. Do you know what you would?
Yeah.
So, I had it apart. I'd had the tank off. So I thought, well, have a dislodge the wire, you know, for switch. Anyway, I had, because I stuck my hand up here, had a quick maul,
yeah.
It went out.
Perfect.
So it is a bit temperamental, that bugger. But yeah, with a little bit of muck down there. Or right off back at radiator, I think. Maybe no, it's not. It's still a bit of a shite, has it? Run on watch. Nice picture there with McGuinness.
Good lad, isn't he, Em?
Yeah.
He's quite good at riding bikes.
He is, isn't he?
If you watch him, he's quite good.
He's alright, isn't he? He's not bad on a bike, is he?
He's done a few laps of the TT circuit as well.
Somebody told me that.
Apparently. Are you ready for this now? Watch your eyeballs.
Blimey.
Right, this.
Blimey.
What we'll try and do is see if we can get any of these fibres down inside these trumpets, because you know that helps.
No.
We'll give them a clean out.
Oh, bother. We'll swerve that one, thanks.
Right, this is for cleaning up the spigots.
Let's have a look round here. Come on.
Go and see.
Where are we going? Are we on?
See all this rusty shit here, look.
Yeah, go on.
Look at that, rebuilding the water pump is what we're doing.
Oh, rebuild. See all that coming off? Beautiful. You can just see years coming off it, can't you? Rebuilding. Oh yeah.
I've got a rebuild kit for this water pump actually in my drawer up there, so I'll get that out in a minute.
Fantastic.
Give it a full rebuild for you. And we'll get up round the back of it a bit later on.
Oh, we're in business here. Getting all that rubbish off. So that's the stuff. What stops it sealing up, innit?
Yeah. Got to get that off, otherwise you know you're wasting your time putting new pipes on.
Oh, lovely. Oh, we're looking.
Do that one in behind there as well.
Oh yeah. She's looking a lot less crusty. You can just see it all coming off as well. I hope the camera's picking that up. I think it is. Oh yeah, that rubbish coming off there.
Delicious.
Oh. Proper bit of kit that, mate, isn't it?
Just a job. We'll give this a full rebuild as well, shall we?
Oh yeah. Oh, we'll be in business here, won't we? Well sealed up.
Tidy. You there?
Yeah, I'm here. Right between pipes. Oh yeah, that was really snotty.
Look at it all coming off now.
Mess, isn't it?
That's beautiful, that is.
Mint, isn't it? See that big lump come off then?
Yeah. You get all this pink off here as well, shall we?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at it all. No, I made a clean bit. I'll have to carry on. Smashing job.
Tremendous. Yeah. Out there. What are you up to now?
Are you looking to do something with that water pump?
Well, yeah, we've got a rebuild kit.
Have a look up here. I've got some. This is my spare parts. Now, have I got a rebuild kit up there? Nope. Hang on. It's in here. It's in here somewhere. Here it is.
Oh,
Black
that's the one,
satin.
isn't it?
So it's the right one.
Perfect.
Fits a treat.
Rebuild kit for a 99 Fireblade.
There we go. Rebuilding. Rebuilding. Rebuilding.
Oh yeah.
There you go. That's all the bearings and noise fixed.
Oh, spot on that, isn't it?
Just the job.
Yeah. New set of earplugs, and that's fixed. Fantastic. Nice one, pal.
No worries. I'll rebuild this side stand as well if you like. Does that need rebuilding?
No, I can clean up that.
Okay.
Oh, we're in business. Oh.
That'll do, yeah. Happy days.
She's brand new, isn't she?
Perfect, that.
Well, you can't buy them water pumps anymore, do you know that?
Yeah, I've seen them. They're a bit...
Well, I'm banging into stuff.
That's alright. I'm just doing a bit of masking here, because I'm a professional.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Fantastic.
Can't beat that.
There you go. First pipe, back on. Comes up here. Down here. To the top of the rad. That's the first one in place. And they're not bad pipes, these, you know. Quite nicely made, them, aren't they?
They look nice, don't they?
They look the part, don't they? AS3, not sponsored by them or anything, AS3, but I bought the clips off them as well. So a full set of hoses for this bike and clips come to the best part of 120 quid. Yeah, that's the noise. Isn't it?
Aren't you from Yorkshire though?
Not far off.
Right, I'm going to get this one on. I'm just
That
making
little
sure.
one?
Yeah, little
This one in
tiddler.
here.
Tiddler.
Oh, I can see you.
You go all the way on.
This one looked like it weren't on all the way. Do you know the original pipe?
Yeah, I can understand why, because it's a bit of a fight getting this one on.
Fiddly. Can we get it from this side?
No,
Oh, you got it.
we'll just give it a bit of a push now.
It did look like it was hanging off at one end originally.
Oh, that's
What's it like at the bottom?
It's absolutely perfect.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like the most ace I've ever put a hose clip on in my life.
Because the bottom, when I looked at it originally, I thought one end or the other looked like it weren't all the way on. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll put it on so you can get to these hose clips, not like the old ones that you couldn't get to them. Look at
These
that.
are the proper clips for this kit.
I think you need to do these up to, I think it's 90 Newton meters.
Or until your eyes pop out top of your head.
Yeah, you got to pop a vertebrae when you're doing these ones up.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Oh yeah, that looks alright, doesn't it?
Look at that.
Perfect.
Hang on. That ain't going nowhere.
Should we buy two really old shit motorbikes and go somewhere posh on them?
Haven't we already got two shit motorbikes? I'm not saying this one's shit, by the way.
Yeah, right. Should we take them somewhere posh when they're sorted?
Yeah, let's go somewhere inappropriate on them. And, you know, have afternoon tea.
Sounds good to me.
Perfect. I want sandwiches with the crust cut off.
I want a bacon butty and Brews. But, yeah. So we've got this one.
Yeah.
And you've got?
I've got the Shed X9. It's in a slightly worse state than this. It's been outside for 4.5 years in all weathers. But it's coming back around. Just got it running the other day, so check out those videos. But it's gonna be right.
You're gonna get over there, Gruffaloscoot, get over to his channel and have a look at the Shed X9. It is a proper piece of kit.
Nice.
There we go. Thermostat housing. She's a bit of a mess. Big wobbly, won't she?
It's coming back around again.
That's one going on.
That's one going on.
Looks a bit tidier in there as well, doesn't it?
That is nice. It was all pink and horrible in there before. You know, not in a good way.
Oh yeah.
And then that one in there.
Oh, there you go.
Beautiful. Absolutely top notch.
Belting 7 pipes, 14 clips.
And it's only taken us like, what was it, 10 minutes? Got the sweat on here.
I don't know, all the pipes, water pump rebuild, full flush.
Oh yeah, we did rebuild the water.
Yeah, didn't she?
Right, what are we doing now?
Is that gin?
Bit of pink gin for you.
Belting.
Ooh. Is any coming out yet?
Oh no, we do look a bit of alright really. See, we never did. We never dropped that expansion tank, did we?
We can get some water out there in a minute if we need to. We'll get the hoover on it.
Oh yeah.
Must be lunchtime.
Bacon bucky town. Oh,
Look at that.
fantastic. Oh. Dead shit. That creases me as well. I don't know what he's been playing at. He's probably trying doing his own oil change, but he's left V-piece front loose. And it's buried itself on pipes. Look, a big burn mark in it. All the water.
Right. Don't know if it was very water. It didn't taste nice. There's me brew.
Get some brew in you. Some brew and coolant. Love a bit of coolant with a brew.
I didn't like that.
Then you go blind after and your eyes go face wrong way.
Oh, I thought it was something else made you go blind. But... Right.
Sucking coolant out of an expansion tank.
Perfect. We need a
Bumped in it.
After what?
Jammy Dodgers.
Bit of that in your overflow, just as much as you need. Where's your nozzle? Check-handed here now. See when.
Well, mate, we're on upper.
Bang on.
Bob on that, isn't it?
I'll do.
Spot on that. Look, we're just under upper, which is where we won't be, innit, really, at the moment.
Yeah.
You've got it. Let's turn lights off. Give it a chance of starting. Oh shit, here we go.
You're in gear.
This is going to be fun. Don't think so, have we?
Antifreeze does not taste good.
I can't do much in there, surely.
Let's just bring it back a bit if we can. Just stick the exhaust pipe out there. Gives it a chance.
This will be fun.
It'll go for first time.
Might will.
Balance the car and stuff lately?
Huh?
Have you balanced the cars lately?
18 months ago.
That'll be alright. That'll be alright.
Got no leaks in here. Tappy.
Yeah, they always have that.
Huh?
I'll show you just mine in a minute. Oh, that's the clutch bearing.
No, not that. Not that is, but tappy top end and shit. out.
Is that what we're dripping out? Yeah. Is that the mad cap? Is that the radiator?
So noisy too, but
That noise is your clutch burn, yeah.
well, this noise here, it's tapping.
Tiny bit, I wouldn't worry about that too much. Not do you use tablets.
Huh?
Not do you use tablets. I'd be more worried about the clutch. Gearbox bearing. But then, they'll get a bit noisy, don't they?
Oh, hell, do you know what I mean? There's a way that, it gets warm, there's a way.
Well, it's supposed to do, don't it? If it's cold,
When she gets,
take all
when
the
she gets a lot warmer, she gets the other way. Oh, yeah. No leaks, have we? Is it done?
Done and dusted. 20 minutes that took. In between brews.
Well,
We've been here 4 days.
I know, I've grown a beard. Well, thanks very much, mate.
You're most welcome.
It's been an absolute pleasure. Them bacon palms were good as well.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed them.
Good
And
bacon.
then biscuits.
They're the future.
We'll see them there. We're having some of them next at garage.
Yeah. McVitie's Digestives Gold. Hashtag want to be sponsored.
Yes. Sponsor me, biscuit firms. Right. We're gonna crack her up. 100 mile that way. Let's see how we get on.